need rollerblades. That could be my shtick.
Hello, I'm rocking my fan mouse snake bead today. So a couple days ago, I went to Brambleroots studio and got my maintenance done by Kajzh. Kajzh was extremely accommodating. She was willing to see me really early in the morning. We got there, there's parking for the building. It was really easy to find. The building is being renovated, so it was really pretty entranceway. She let us in, took us to her little studio, and it was nice. It was private. It was very comfortable. We had our own room, and it was just us and Kajzh, and it was very like relaxing. She's just like a very calm person. We had great conversation. Her chair is so comfortable. She said sometimes some of her clients fall asleep. It took about, let's see, we were there from 7 to 10:30, I think. I think it was about 3.5 hours. Very fast. She did all 67 of my locks.
Here we go. Okay, here we are at Brambleroots with Kajzh. Hi! She's doing my hair. We've done a lot of the top of it. It looks really good. It feels really good. I can't believe that I can put my hands through my hair without tingling. She's very fast. We've been here for a couple hours, but she's done most of them.
Working through it.
Yep.
I would say slowly but surely, but probably not even slowly.
No, really fast. It's been really quickly. Looks good.
She separated everything. She pulled in all the loose hairs. Actually, it was really interesting because some of my locks were mature enough that she can't use a crochet needle without potential damage. So what she ended up doing was she did this really cool needle technique using a loop of string and pulling the hair down into the lock with a needle. It was really clever and awesome. So she did a great job. I was in really good hands and I loved it. My head did not hurt after. I felt very comfortable. In fact, I felt more comfortable than I was before because I didn't have those hairs pulling and tangling against each other anymore. I had gotten a collection of ear spacers, earplugs, tunnels, and I picked one of them and she put it in one of my dreads. She actually randomly picked one of my favorite dreads. She didn't even know, but she just found the weak spot, put it in, tightened the hair around it, and I love how that looks. She really knows what she's doing. It was a great experience, very relaxing. My hair feels good, and I'm excited to see how it looks as it starts to loosen up. It's pretty tight right now, rope-like. But I wish I could see her every year. I would love to do this as a yearly thing. But if you're ever in St. Louis, I 100% recommend going to see her.
Here we go. Yeah, there you go.